This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 7th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures above average to start out this week, but we'll see a cooling trend with readings going below normal later in the week and this weekend. Time to open up the doors and windows at night with overnight lows in many spots getting down into the 50s. We'll get into all of that, but first, checking out the almanac from yesterday. 96 degrees the high in the valley, 67 was the morning low, 92 and 69 now the normals. And outside here at 7:10 a.m., we start the day out at 71 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 32, humidity 24%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, 52, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 53 at Goldfield. Most of us are in the 60s to near 70. The upper air pattern shows a trough moving into the western Great Lakes and a ridge out here in the southwest for a dry westerly flow. That's keeping us on the warm side for a while. The watch warning map. We've got winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories for a good portion of Wyoming and Montana up around the Livingston area, Yellowstone, Helena, Great Falls. They're seeing the snowflakes flying. Some frost advisories over northern Minnesota up around Hibbing and International Falls. Severe weather outlook for today. No organized areas of severe storms expected anywhere across the contiguous U.S. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Metro Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, basically nothing again. Some very light precip possible right there along the eastern border of our state, but little else anywhere. As we're in a rather dry pattern, we'll get into the details of that now as we take a look at the models and check it out. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And there's our ridge here across the southwest. Again, a dry westerly flow. So down at the surface, sunny skies today, highs mid and upper 90s. The warmest desert spots could get to the century mark, but I don't think we're going to have that here today. Let's hope not. Tonight, clear skies, lows in the 60s to low 70s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny again, mid 90s. Pretty much the same deal on Thursday. Low to mid 90s are likely, mostly sunny skies, but we do have a trough. It's beginning to come into the Intermountain West. That's going to pass north of Arizona, but the cooler weather will be coming in behind it. As we see on Thursday, partly cloudy, breezy conditions. Highs get down into the mid-80s. Some of the guidance suggests we might even be just a shade cooler than that. Friday morning, we'll start the day out in the 50s, highs mid-80s. And Saturday, mostly sunny skies, mid to upper 80s. And pretty much the same thing on Sunday as dry weather will continue. Kind of typical October stuff. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Monday, the 14th. Now we've got an interesting look here. A little short wave approaching the southwest, pulling up some moisture from what is depicted to be a tropical system developing over the eastern Pacific there by the GFS. A little too far out to get too latched onto this scenario, but if this were to verify, we would see increasing clouds and moisture by Tuesday the 15th, maybe even scattered showers and storms in here. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Wednesday the 16th. Still have some scattered showers around maybe. And temperatures below average with some unsettled weather. But again, this is kind of an outlier solution right now, but we'll keep an eye on it. All right, temperatures through the period coming off of the European ensemble. Highs, of course, warm for the first half of the week, and then we do see that downtrend. Overnight lows probably not quite as cool as what's shown here on the Euro. As you know, it's a little bit biased toward cooler weather, but there will be some spots in the valley that get down into the low and middle 50s for sure. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be notified. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have a great Monday.